Chapter 14 ಶ್ರೀ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಚರಿಸ Ruttanaji of Nanad, Saint Monsliva, Dakshina Nemanasa. In the last chapter, we described how Baba works in Greece with medium calculation. Now we shall describe the Baba blessed Mr. Ruttanaji with an issue. The life of Sai Baba's thoughts so he has various action items waking this was a completely curious life was incarnate. Sai Baba bestowed this blessing means of his duty. Remember him, he gave them various to his duty actions which certain led them to true religions. Baba thought people lived in a happy in this one, but more importantly, they should be our causes being the objective of their self-realization. We get a human body as a result of marriage past birth. So, worthwhile with reason, we should attain devotion, liberation, this life. We should therefore never be lazy, always put our attention in our name of me. If you are the leaders of soil, you will be always seek him and day and night, remember him in your mind. When as soon as you sigh in your way, your mind will be low speckles and it will in a manner repeated fire immersed in the pure conscious. Routines of landed. Now let us come to the main story of the chapter. Promoting in Nizam state, there is a later Parsi businessman named Ruttanaji Shapuravadia. He was amassed a large amount of money acquired with the lands, fields and lands. He had a cattle, horses, and his proposed all outwards appearance will look very happy and content, but in response to not so. Prudence listeners assumed world completely happy and rich. Ruttanaji was no restriction to this. He was liberal, charitable, gave foods and clothing to the poor, lived in the various ways. The people took him very happy. Good man, but Ruttanaji himself was had no issues with the male or female as written in its without love or devotion, pilgrimage without national proficiency, knowledge without common sense are useless. So to Rutanji thought his life incomplete without his son. Rutanji very produced the matter mentally asked why would God please me grant me son. He took him was had no relish for the day and night was enveloped in anxiety with could be no decision. Rutanji had great regard of Das Guru Maharaj. He met him and opened the heart for him. Das Guru had wished to take Baba Darshan for his six of blessing to go and show Rutanji like the idea decided to go Shuri. In few days he wanted to stay with him, took Baba Darshan for the speed. Then, opening a basket, it took a beautiful garland of the flowers and placed on the Baba neck and offered him a basket of fruit for the great husband. Then he sat near Baba, he prayed to say, people so open empathic situation enter you. And you release them immediately hitting the 7 aspects of your feet. Please do not disappoint me. Sahiba asked him how much does not for 5 rupees, which is what returned into the but Sahiba and added he already gives him 3410 from him. What should he bring his balance on the prayer returns your reference Baba and he bought himself since he was the first time to study how was Baba's inherited 3 important from him. He could not solve the riddle, but thought Baba speak and gave the balance of the Dakshina. He explained Baba why he came to Shri. Baba would bless him, his son Baba would move out only not bear it because at this point his battles are coming to him. Baba then gave the Murti his places and kept the head blessed in the Sala was satisfied how they said. Taking Baba's maid with Anjali and then told the Guru Darshan. He said everything went on. He said Baba Darshan blessing with the prasad, but that is one thing which could understand. Baba said in his presentation to important Surah from him, returns at the next presentation over. Then he said another interesting report how could the Baba and which referred the puzzle the long time after rest again in the year returns at reception from the sign is named information from some eyes for reception was could a saint known to be people of hundred just Ratanji decided to go study the Mauritius accidentally came to his house Ratanji no one had he gave better of his honor thus Gono Ratanji had the reception and would could understand not exactly 340 nothing more nothing less thus everyone came to know about foundation through information he know the past present future could have for himself was so and the particular instance how could have been about the reception kept him also amongst contain this unless he could have identified himself one be one with him. Everything was satisfied the explanation have faith and Baba was confirmed and Chris later in the due time we blessed the resolution with the no bounds. With the dozen of children, then he said he had now dozen of children which saw 4 lists of that. In a footnote the chapter was another and did not without the first two remarried to the total son. Always at the married side and the first two shows the new wife of doctor, the full discipline, the third possession Baba would 22 and Sati was satisfied. Dakshina Manasa. We shall post above few remarks of Dakshina Vitas. Nanda Sai Baba explains Dakshina from the people and to see someone has that Baba respected perfectly no matters. Why should he have Dakshina cared for any visual confirm sufficient power to know? At first time for a long time Baba conducts some new stone matches full spot with them. He never asks them for anyone whether he put a voice. If anyone speaks to wearing a purchased tobacco oil for to fast conduct away always smoke the BT semen. Later on, some people they could have seen the same thing to enter the places some copper coins before and one piece of coins before. Pocketed the two pieces of money, returned it immediately, and Baba fame began to spread. One more people flocked to spread member of Baba. Asked them Dakshina coins from began to ask Dakshina from them. In a sense, with the puja was a complete unless a gold was offered. The coin of sensory puja was also big puja. So ultimately, the Shastra says when goes to see God or king goes, he should not go empty and he should offer something public on some money in connection with the presence of Upanishads. The Parindama person says that Upanishad based the gods, men, demons, and later the good understood brothers leaders should practice dharma, self-control. Man should practice dana, charity. Demons should always practice daya, compassion to men, and charity also recommended. The teaching the happiness extorted purpose. Practice and charity regarding the galactic he says to do fail with the mechanical link and modesty and sympathy. In order to reach the devotees and the lessons of charity, remove the attachment money, thus spirit of Baba extra explanation. Baba has tried to give 100 rupees authorization. There was many instances which has been stopped. For example, Abadas and the famous actors from the Baba and from present again and again for the action is emptied by him. Thus, Rajan Baba says what was later had not money, it came to him abundantly. In many cases, according to second Dimya Dakshina, which means that Baba did not want to become to Baba asked return as a Dakshina from the decision of who to play the part of the MP. Baba then assigned that you reading was the give me Dakshina from that give Dakshina this case given. Lessons from the book Lodging and in Baba research from Baba was attended instant Kakar gained the sixth of Dakshina the lady felt in pain. Nothing to good. Has been explained the over six inner lust, anger, and hence. So we happened to help Baba. We will do this explanation. It is to be noted that Baba put a lot of neglection and he double distributed the full amounts and the next morning would become a additional poor pocket. When Baba was mentioning after receiving thousands of rupees as a box now for 10 months, he had only few rupees in the question. In the short, Baba managed the small nation states and national purification. Post-script Mr. DVD of Tana retired Mohammed graduate of Baba wrote an article subject of Dakshina and Chari Ramayana volume 63626 which says once the thing Baba did not auction on Dakshina Kamari concerning the Dakshina without being asked sometimes named. After the time he refused to give Dakshina certain devotees he never demanded from those devotees who bought first bought them on what should pay for it. If anybody offered it against devotees he kept in that. Your dance be taken away. He asked for a small and large amount for devotees according to the wish. Devotion contains Dakshina even from the woman itself. He never all be rich or not poor. Baba would never get angry with those who may ask Dakshina but could not give any. If Dakshina was sent from who forgotten Baba, he remained the person to give him Dakshina. On some occasion, Baba would return the portion of Dakshina to the donor and keep it on the shrine of Dakshina. This procedure benefited the donor devotee immensely for an offered more than he originally intended to give. Baba returned to external. Sometimes the Baba asked more Dakshina from the originally intended to give if there no money. As beggar money of Baba demanded Dakshina 3 or 4 times a day. Out of amount collected Dakshina, Baba spent only for one sake, buying for children, clicking for a few rupees donate. He distributed reminders as a charity within proportional. He also hospital studies and the laboratory takes presents Radha Krishna. My Baba always used to get to London with the substances. Woman and difficult to difficult explain the Paramatma and Baba provided instructions to Bhana family. On being Dakshina, that being Radha Krishna, when people came to him, demanded Dakshina from asking to go to school. They stood with two testers while they showed were free from attachment to woman and